Hello everyone, today I'd like to do a quick unboxing of the adjustable shade auto darkening welding helmet from Harbor Freights. This is item number 616111, and they have quite a few ones with the various color and design, and they're basically all the same and same function, except this one is a little slower in auto darkening than the other one. Other than that, they're all the same. The other ones have more colors and more colors and designs to it, and a little different to when the knobs and stuff. So if you want a helmet to go with your the weld that you bought, this is something nice. So this is the front of the box here, the side, the other side. 1 to 20,000 second switching speed, auto darkening lens, solar powered with battery assistance. This is a lithium ion battery and it's not rechargeable. Automatic power on off with adjustable delay time. Variable shade control, adjust from number 9 to 13 with the resting shade of 4, and UV and IR protection. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open the product. We got the product itself in this plastic bag. What else we have? We have a user manual here and a extra lens. Okay, extra lens for the flap. So take it out. Okay, so we have the helmet itself. We have this lens, and it's the same one that you can, if you get this damage, you can add another one. And we have the solar piece here. We have the actual darkening lens here. This is the one that powers the unit, and there's also internal battery, which is lithium ion. There's a film that's covering this. They're giving us warning. Please remove film before using. That's good. Okay, we have the switch here to degree of darkening. Okay, it goes from, I guess, 6 to 13. The resting is 4. And in the back, inside, we have a helmet adjustment here, as you can see. And if you can see inside, here, if you can see, we have sensitivity and delay settings here. So so that's where you adjust sensitivity and delay. Okay, and we have the sweat band here. So if you're sweating, it will grab the sweat. Adjustments on either side. Right. So this is the Harbor Freight. This is the Harbor Freight welding helmet. This is their basic version. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing and overview of the welding helmet from Harbor Freight.